In this video, I'll show you how to use Curve Mode on Tastytrade. Curve Mode is a visual tool that helps you see the profit or loss potential, breakdown points, and risk zones for your option trades. It's perfect for understanding how a trade might perform over time. Firstly, on the Tastytrade desktop platform, go to the Trade tab. Find the stock or ETF you want to trade, then select the date. Choose the puts and enter an order sale 1 contract and set the limit price wherever you want. Now click the Curve tab at the top right of the trade table. This opens a visual profit or loss chart based on your trade. In the profit zone, green shows where the stock price would land. Loss zone, red, indicates where you'd incur a loss, and break-even point, it would be the point where your profit is calculated, or expected move, a shaded area that shows much the stock is expected to move based on implied volatility. The benefits of the Curve Mode: you can visual risk and reward. It is adjustable and its real-time feedback can help you watch how the curve changes as market moves.